Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids colors name. Red color, green color, black color, yellow color, blue color, yellow ochre color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use red color. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat, and use green color. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, and use black color. The alphabets of C. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll, and use yellow color. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use blue color. Kids now draw numbers, and first we draw 1. The numbers of 1, and use red color. O-N-E 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2, and use green color. T-W-O-2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3, and use black color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4, and use yellow color. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5, and use blue color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw shapes, and first we draw square. The shape of square, and use red color. Kids now draw circle. The shape of circle, and use green color. Kids now draw triangle. The shape of triangle, and use black color. Kids now draw heart. The shape of heart, and use yellow color. Kids now draw Easter. the shape of Easter and use blue color. Blue color. Kids, today draw A, B, C, D, E, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes, square, circle, triangle, heart and Easter. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.